Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Adda 3.0. Please subscribe our channel to get the notifications of our latest videos. In the previous videos we have discussed about the percentages. Still there are many concepts in percentages, but I am going to start profit and loss topic today. If I get more and more comments and more subscriptions, I will try to make all the concepts of the percentages if you like my videos. So today we are going to discuss about the profit and loss concept. So in the school ages, in the school times, we have learned profit and loss. How do we come to know it is profit or loss? We have seen the comparison between the cost price and selling price, isn't it? The comparison between cost price and selling price will give us profit or loss. If the cost price is less than the selling price, if the cost price is less than selling price, it is a profit. And if the cost price is more than the selling price, it is a loss, isn't it? And we have a formula. We have a formula for percentages. Actually, we have a formula here. What is that formula? Profit equals to selling price minus cost price, and loss equals to cost price minus selling price, right? We have learned these things in schoolings. Actually, what I want to tell you is, if you want to learn something new, you have to erase everything what you know. So here, let us see the formulas of loss percentage and profit percentages also in school timings. So profit percentage is what? Profit upon cost price into 100, and loss percentage is upon loss upon CP into 100. By comparing these two formulas, what do we get here? We get, in both the conditions, we get cost price. Why? Whatever we compare, profit or loss, doesn't matter, profit or loss, we compare only with cost price. Else, if given in the question profit on SP, if not loss on selling price, in questions he may ask loss on selling price also, profit on selling price also. But if he didn't ask you, you have to compare profit or loss with what? With only and only cost price. So today I am going to give you the questions on the basics of profit or loss, profit and loss. Here is our first question, today's first question. It is totally basically basic question, totally basic question. Actually, what the question says is, cost price is 400 rupees, profit percentage is 20%, find selling price and profit is how much. Actually, if the question is in this type, we can calculate directly. However, it is profit or loss is calculated upon the cost price. So 20% of 400 is what? 80 rupees. 20% of 400 is what? 20% of 400 is 80 rupees. So 80 rupees is what? 80 rupees is profit. 80 rupees is profit, and selling price is what? Selling price is 480. Yes, if the question is given in this format, we can solve it easily. But when the question is twisted with selling price is 500, profit percentage is 25%, find cost price and profit. If the question is twisted in this form, what will you do here? What can you do here? So pause the video and try to solve this problem in your own method. So here I'm trying to tell you, take try to solve these type of questions. Every type of questions try to solve in ratio methods, because ratio methods are the perfect methods for each and every question. So here I'm trying to solve this question in ratio method. So what is the given condition of profit percentage is here is 25%. So 25%, fraction value of 25% is what? 25% is 1 by 4%, 1 by 4. So I'm considering 4 as cost price. I'm considering cost price and selling price. I'm taking the ratios and I'm considering 4 as my cost price. So if my cost price is 4 rupees, if my cost price is 4 rupees, and how much percent did I get on 4 rupees? Sorry, how much profit did I get on 4 rupees? I got 1 rupee profit. I got 1 rupee profit. So 1 rupee, if I get 1 rupee profit upon 4 rupees, what is my selling price? My selling price must be 5 rupees. So my selling price must be 5 rupees. So here, in these are actually, these are the duplicate values of the original values. These are duplicate values and these are original values. So here, in the condition, in the ratio condition, 5 units is given as 500 as originally. 5 units is given as 500 as originally. So what if 5 units is 500, then how much it values for 1 unit? 1 unit is nothing but 100 units. 1 unit is nothing but 100 units. Then what about 4 units? 4 unit values 400 rupees. Therefore, our cost price is what? Cost price is 400 rupees and selling price is 500 rupees. And what about profit? What about profit? Profit is nothing but how many units, how many units profit did we get here? Here we got 1 unit of profit. So what is the value of 1 unit is 100. So here our profit is, answers are CP is 400 and profit is 100 rupees. What I want to tell you is, try to go directly to the ratio form. Directly to the ratio form. Don't try to make silly answers. Ratio method is the best and perfect method for each and every type of question. Here is the third basic question, and this question is homework for you. You just try to solve this question in your own way or own method. So here it is. It is somewhat twisted question again. Profit is given and profit percentage. You have to find out cost price and selling price. If you go through the school methods, it will take a long time to solve this question. And if you just go to the ratio method, maybe it can complete within 2-3 seconds. So here let us solve this. What is the percentage given here is 20 percentage, and fraction value of percentage is what? 1 by 5. Fraction value of percentage is what? 1 by 5. Let me consider 5 as my cost price. Let me consider 5 as my cost price, and I got 1 unit profit, and I got one unit profit on 5 units. So 1 unit profit on 5 units gets selling price will be, and my selling price will be how much? It will be 6 rupees. So here the difference between them, if you see cost price is 5 rupees and selling price is 6 rupees, here selling price is greater than cost price. Obviously it is a profit. Obviously it is a profit. So here how much profit did I get here? I get 1 unit as profit, and this 1 unit is given as 200 rupees. If 1 unit values 200 rupees, if 1 unit value 200 rupees, then what about 5 units and 6 units? 5 units is nothing but 1000 and 6 units is nothing but 1200 rupees. Therefore, I got the answers which are cost price is 1000 rupees and selling price is 1200 rupees. How easily we can solve these type of questions using ratio method? So ratio method is the best method. After this, uh, I have taken 2 more questions to solve. So they are the first most basic questions in cost prices in aptitude. Here is today's first word problem. So question is, the cost price of 10 articles is equal to the selling price of 15 articles. Then find the profit or loss percentage. So here actually we will try to understand this question very perfectly. First of all, understand the first condition. What is the first condition in the question is cost price of 10 articles. Cost price of 10 articles is equals to what? Is equals to selling price of 15 articles, isn't it? Selling price of 15 articles. Selling price of 15 articles. Actually, if you see the condition, cost price of 10 articles is equal to the selling price of 15 articles. Actually the question didn't say that it is the exact cost of the 10 articles. So to find the exact cost of 10 articles, here let us understand the condition. Cost price into 10 articles, cost price into 10 and selling price into 15. If I take the ratios, if I take the ratios of cost price and selling price from this condition, if I take the ratio of cost price and selling price, I will get the exact cost price of 10 articles. I will get the exact cost price of 10 articles, which is 15 upon selling price of 15 articles is what? 10. So now I got the values of cost price and selling price. What is my cost price? Actually my cost price is 15 and my selling price is what? My selling price is 10. Now the next condition of the question is find the profit or loss percentage. If we compare cost price and selling price, we get as loss. Why? Cost price is greater than selling price. Here in both the conditions, if we compare them, cost price is higher than selling price, therefore given condition is a loss condition. So here, how many units did he get loss here? How many units it is loss? So it is loss by 5 units. It is loss by 5 units. Actually what he is asking here, he is asking about the profit or loss percentage. So percentage, profit or loss percentage is calculated upon what? It is calculated upon the cost price. So loss is calculated upon loss percentage. Loss percentage is what? Loss upon CP into 100. So loss percentage is what? Loss is what? Loss is 5 units. Totally loss is what? 5 units. And cost price is how much? 15 units into 100. 5 ones, 5 threes, 3 ones, 33.33 percentage overall loss. Hope you understood this concept. So by using this concept, I have twisted the question much more somewhat higher level. So be ready for the question. So here is the next question. Actually, if you don't understand the previous condition, watch it carefully and try to understand, because this question is totally depend upon the previous condition. So question is the cost price of 10 pence is equal to the cost price of 12 books. First condition is the cost price of 10 pence is equal to the cost price of 12 books. Next condition is cost price of 18 books is equal to the cost price of 10 bags. So let us try to solve this question up to this condition. First two conditions. So what are the first two conditions is cost price of pence. How many pence? Cost price of how many pence it is given here? Cost price of 10 pence. Cost price of 10 pence and cost price of 12 books. Cost price of 12 books. It is given here. Using previous condition, we will get the exact cost price of 10 pence, and the exact cost price of 10 pence is 12, and exact cost price for the 12 books is 10. So here I am trying to take this fraction into ratio form. So here pens and books. The first condition of the question says about pens and books. So I am trying to write them in ratios. So here if I cancel this, 2 6 are 12 and 2 5 are, I will get the exact value of pen is what? 5, and the exact value of books is pen is what? 6. The exact value of pens is what? 6, and the exact value of books is what? 5. 5. Now I got the exact values. And in the second condition also, see here the cost price of 18 books. Cost price of 18 books is given here. Cost price of 18 books, and it is comparing with the cost price of 10 bags. These both are equal. Cost price of 10 bags. Cost price of 10 bags. So here exact cost price of 18 books is what? 18 books is 10 rupees, and cost price of 10 bags is what? 10 bags is 18 rupees. So here if I cancel them and I'm trying to write these two fractions in ratio method. So here it is, I'm trying to write it as books and bags. Books and bags, isn't it? So here later if I try to cancel them, 2 5s and 2 9 times. So here I am writing the exact cost price of books. The exact cost price of books is what? 5. Exact cost price of books is what? 5. And the exact cost price of bag is what? 9. The exact cost price of bag is what? 9. In the next condition, what he is saying is selling price of pens and bags are equal. What he is asking is only pens and bags. The selling price of these two is equal. And what he is saying about books, is actually he is saying nothing about books. So here if we directly multiply these ratios, what will happen here? If we multiply books will be gets cancelled, and here 5 will gets cancelled. 3 2s, 3 3s, 9. So here 2:3 is the exact cost price of what? Pens and bags when compared to pens and bags. Exact cost price of pens and bags is what? Exactly 2:3 when compared to pens and bags. In the last condition he is comparing with pen and bag actually. So here these are the cost prices of pens and bags, not selling price. And see the next condition of the question. What is the condition of the question is, and loss percentage on bags is 33.33 percentage. Loss percentage on bags is 33.33 percentage. So here let us see, this is the cost price of bag, isn't it? What is the cost price of bag? Cost price of bag is 3. So here he got a loss of 33.33 percentage. He got a loss of 33.33 percentage upon what? 3 rupees. So here 33% what? 33.33% is 1 by 3 in fraction value. So 1 by 3 into 3. 1 by 3 into 3 is how much? It is, he lost 1 unit. He lost 1 unit upon the 3 rupees. So totally he sold it how much? He sold the bags to 2 rupees. 2 units. Let us take it as units. He sold the bags to the 2 units. So here, according to the condition of the question, he says selling prices of pen and bag are same. So here the selling price of bag is what? Selling price of bag is 2, and the selling price of pen will become what? 2 itself. And the selling price of pen is what? Selling price of pen is 2 itself. So here how much percentage profit or loss did he or she gets here? Here if you see, cost price is 2 units, and selling price is also 2 units. What do you see here? There is no profit, no loss in this question. So answer is no profit, no loss exactly. If you don't understand, try to watch it in slow mode, then you will actually get the exact knowledge of this question. If you like my videos, please like, share, comment in the section box. Thank you for watching my channel.